Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a current feelings reading for the sign of Aquarius. This is going to be a general reading, may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. So only take what resonates and leave the rest. And if none of the messages resonate, you can always check videos of your other sign placements, Moon or Venus sign for additional information. So Aquarius, let's get into your reading. Let's look at your overall energy at this time. So your overall energy is the Ace of Pentacles, but it's in the reverse. Okay, so Ace of Pentacles in the reverse is blocks. Okay, you feel that something could be steady, could be stable, could be long term, but there are blocks in that. Or you may feel that this is not as stable as you thought. What is this Ace of Pentacles in the reverse about? Yeah, you're very so Aquarius, it's possible that you're stressing or overthinking something. Okay, there is a lot of anxiety about a relationship which may feel or may have felt like a long-term relationship, but there are issues or there are blocks right now, and you are kind of stressing about it. So what is this about? This is a relationship that really you desire. Okay, you wish for this relationship, you're praying and hoping that this will work out. This is something that makes you really happy. This is a relationship, either a long-term relationship or something that you see as a long-term relationship for you in the future. But it looks like you see this person as the one. Okay, now let's look at your person side. Their overall energy is the Ace of Cups in the reverse. So again, I feel there is a lack of emotions, lack of something that started off well and then suddenly came to an abrupt end for this person. Why is the Ace of Cups here in the reverse? This person is very fearful or scared. Could be a fear of expressing their emotions, maybe a fear of commitment. So this person is like, I feel this person has had past, in the past they have had some issues in relationships, and they have that fear of commitment. Okay, and they're not very sure. They've taken a step back. There is a lack of communication as well, and whatever communication there is, it's kind of very hurtful. I feel that there is a lack of clarity, there is a lot of abruptness, there's a lot of impulsiveness here. So let's see what is the current situation. So from this person's side, there is a lack of clarity, and even if there is some clarity, like even if there is some communication, it's very abrupt, very cold, very detached. The judgment here is in the common energy. So the current situation, it feels like you both are at a crossroads. You have an opportunity to release the judgments of the past and start over, or maybe release the judgments of the past and end this so that you both can have a new beginning elsewhere. So the Chariot here is in the reverse. Again, I see the situation having a lot of challenges, a lot of blocks. It's not moving forward. Okay. Seven of Swords is here. Some of it is, kind of some red flags that are showing up now in this connection, or there are some self-sabotaging energies here, either from your side or this person's side. Someone here is not wanting to accept or trying to run away from their emotions, their feelings. So let us see in the past, how was the situation? The past here is the Six of Swords. So in the past, I see that the both of you had issues, but there was a very smooth transition. You both were trying to move forward from, one phase of your relationship to the next. So maybe you met as friends, and there is a spark between the two of you, and you both were trying to move forward with this connection, with this relationship, or one of you was trying to take this forward. This is your energy, this is Aquarius, but this is the King of Swords in the reverse. So there is a lack of clarity, lack of, too detached, too cold, this energy, whereas one person is very emotional, but at the same time, this is too much emotion. So there's a difference in your energies. One person here, and I'm not saying this is you, One person here is extremely cold detached and the other person here is too clingy. Okay, so it's like the extremes of of both sides. So yeah, there is this energy of not being emotionally in a good place, like not being happy, although this is something that you want, this is something you thought you wanted, but it's not a stable relationship because there's too much of a difference between your energy and theirs, and finally it's causing a lot of emotional um, emptiness, like somebody here is not very happy, or maybe both of you are not happy and you both are thinking maybe this is not working out. So it's possible that you have broken up before, in the past as well, because of the same issues. So let us see in the future what is coming towards you. What on your side, what do we have? So in the future, I see again the Two of Cups here for this relationship. Yeah, these issues continue. Okay, you are realizing that this is not a balanced connection. There are many issues in this relationship. There are a lot of problems in this relationship. But you're willing to put that work. You're willing to work on this. You're willing to kind of put that effort to make things better. Whereas this person, they have the King of Wands, and it's in the upright. So they are going to take action as well. There's this renewed energy that they have, and they're coming towards you with a lot of passion. But again, it's a imbalance. Six of Pentacles is, an imbalance. So maybe if earlier you were the one putting all the effort, I see now this person coming towards you, reciprocating. So it's like a, it feels like the tables have turned, but this person also is putting that work and effort to make this right. Two of Swords is here on their side, so they are finally choosing to listen to their intuition. They are blindfolded. They don't know which way forward, but they are kind of trying to listen to their intuition. There is a need for a lot of healing in this connection. Okay, and the problem here is you both have not taken that time to work on your core issues, on the issues that are really affecting the two of you. But I see you both kind of putting that effort now in the future. So let's see your current feelings for this person. So you are feeling a lack of hope. Okay, Aquarius, you're feeling like maybe this is not going to work out. You're in the past, you're stuck in the past with a lot of regrets, and that is kind of making things very toxic because you're stuck in an illusion, like even though the past may have, you may have had good times in the past, but it's important for you to take stock of things that are in the current energy, and in the present, and salvage the situation rather than being stuck in the past. So yeah, Queen of Swords, and also there's a need for you to stand up for yourself, have better boundaries. Don't let this person take you for granted. So let's look at this person's emotions. They feel, again, the Ten of Wands, they're not able to let go of the past. That's a problem. Three of Cups here in the reverse. They feel right now things are not working out, not very hopeful of a reconciliation either. Queen of Pentacles here, but they want stability. They see you as somebody very stable, very grounded. They want to work on this, that's for sure. They see you as somebody who's stable, but there is this energy of wanting to come out of the stagnancy. So they want to come out of that stagnancy. They don't want to be stuck. They want a solution. Okay, so let's look at the outcome. Excuse me. Outcome here in this situation is the Emperor. So it's possible that you both may go for counseling, or you may both go to somebody who you look up to, take advice from this person. Page of Wands is here in the reverse as outcome. King of Cups is here. A lot of people. So either you have a lot of people trying to help you, or you have a lot of people trying to interfere in this connection, this relationship. But the universe is saying, Three of Wands is here upright. So the universe is saying, be patient. Things will work out. Things will be fine. Things will work out for you. I see a positive energy. There is a need for the both of you to kind of come together and work on this relationship. Queen of Wands is here. like I said, a lot of people involved. Death is here. So there is a transformation happening, there's a change happening for the both of you, and you're going towards something new. So, Ten of Pentacles here in reverse. So, if this was very unstable in the past, that's going to change because you've got the Wheel of Fortune. So, whatever the situation has been, it's going to change because time is not the same. The situations don't stay the same. Time is changing for you. There's something good coming towards you. There is a good turn of events. So I see this changing very positively in your favor. Under the deck, we have the Knight of Cups in the reverse, Page of Cups in the reverse, Tower, which is in the reverse again. So something that you both have been clinging on to because you both have not been able to let go, or there is a change that needs to happen but you both have not been able to make that happen. Like you both have been clinging on to the past, but I see that your wishes are coming true. Okay, so something is definitely changing for the both of you. You both are healing. Okay, there's a lot of success. It's not going to be easy. I don't want to sugarcoat things, but I do see, a lot of positive things happening for the both of you, provided you both come together and agree to work on this. So let's see what is the message for Aquarius. Express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. We have separation, time apart from your partners on the horizon. So yeah, if you are separated right now, this is a the universe is saying that you are going to come. Yeah, and reconciliation. Someone from your past is returning to your life. Okay, so Aquarius, this is a very positive confirmation for you. If this resonates with you, then this is a sign. Okay, so I hope this resonates with you, and do comment, let me know if it does. Do like, share and subscribe to this channel. And if you wish to book a private reading, you can reach out to me on my email ID or my website. You can also book directly on my website. All details on how to contact me are on the screen and in the description box. Check it out there. And also, if you wish to join my channel and become a member, membership is available. You can go to my channel, there's a join button, click on it, and you will get all the details there as well for the membership. You get early access to all the videos as well as bonus readings, which are only available for members. And I'll be back with another reading. Till then, take care.